Hello. There will be time when client refuse to accept our estimates, telling us that the estimate is very high and they cannot accept the estimate for that particular project or task. Or probably they say if the estimate is not reduced, they are not interested in going for the project. And sometimes what happens is sometimes client work with multiple vendors. So in that case, they invite estimates number for from each of the vendors, and depending on the estimate now value, they probably compare against each other, and then probably they will discuss with the team also, each of the team, and depending on their comfort level and the estimate amount, they probably select a particular vendor for that project. It happens actually. And sometimes if they are very good, they are comfortable with particular team and they have been working with that particular team, they sometimes they just select that particular vendor or team because they are already comfortable, they are happy with that particular team after a short or just a small chit chat. So this happens also. And sometimes they want to have a meeting for that particular estimate. They want to see each and every task and activities, and also the resources assigned to that particular task or project. That also happens. So in that case, generally there is a particular standard document for an estimate for any project that happens. Some vendors, they follow standard estimation document from a client, or sometimes they have an internal in-house estimation document. That also happens. So in that case, if you are going for a discussion for that particular estimate, it's better to prepare another additional estimation document. That is, you can call it a supporting document, and listing out all the task activities for that particular task project. So that what happens is when the discussion happens with the client, you don't have to remember everything, what are the things you are doing, what are the point you consider before arriving at particular number. So that not only builds confidence for that particular team in client, and they are also very happy that at least the team is following standard process for anything they are doing, actually any task or any project they are doing. And that also basically supports your points. And that probably, if sometime what happens is that sometimes even if project is over, they probably they want to see that particular or they want to discuss that particular estimate again due to some reason. So sometimes the project will not be implemented due to some reason. Sometimes they don't want to send that to production. So in that case also something happens at the higher level and they want to have that discussion again. So if you don't remember those points, if you have not written down all the detailed things, you will not be able to discuss, you will not be able to support your points, what happens during the 2 years back or 3 years back. So in that case, it's better to have a supporting document ready for those kind of discussions. And probably once the discussion over, probably client may agree for that the estimated number which they thought that it is very high. Sometimes they will say, okay, remove that particular task activities, we don't want that particular task activity, and they will just, by reducing probably 5% or 10%, they will go with your estimated number. So and this actually you get again client confidence in the team, and that really helps. That's basically improves client vendor bonding also. So hope this helps, this topic helps. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.